Welcome to today's algebra-based physics bowling ball lab. The goal of this experiment is to determine the velocity of a bowling ball based on measurements of displacement and time. We will use both an algebraic and a graphical approach to solve this problem. You will need a bowling ball, a ramp, 5 stopwatches, a meter stick or measuring tape, and masking tape to mark the distances on the floor. The procedure is simple. You will need a minimum of 8 students per group for this experiment. First, place the ramp in the center of a clear hallway. Second, use your meter stick or tape measure to mark off every 3 meters from the end of the ramp with the masking tape. Third, place a student with a stopwatch at every marker to record the time when the ball passes their marker. One student will be in charge of releasing the ball, and another will catch the ball when it reaches the end, and they will then walk the ball back to the starter after each run. Once the ball has passed all the markers, the 8th member of your group, the data recorder, will record the times from each timer. You will repeat the experiment at least 3 times from the same height on the ramp. Be sure to note the height that the ball is started from and use tape on the launch ramp to mark the exact starting point for each trial for consistent, reproducible results. Take a few practice runs before you begin collecting data so everyone on the team knows their role. The timers will begin when the ball touches the floor, not when it is released. This will ensure exact measurements are being used and the times are consistent. As the ball passes each marker, the team members with stopwatches will stop their timers.
3.74.
The data recorder will then collect times from each member on their time chart. Repeat 3 times and record the data for each trial. Be safety aware and watch for other people in the hallways. Always allow them to pass before continuing with your experiment.